Welcome to CJ Raw Money Entertainments. Hi, honeybees. That's what I call my subscribers. So if you want to be a honeybee, slap that subscribe button. So, I got a box. And I love getting boxes because there's always something good in the box. And I get to use my knife on the box. So here we go. Cut like butter, knife. Let's see what's inside. It's a smart dog bark control collar. Okay, I'm going to do it up close so you can see all the stuff inside. However, let me explain why I got the dog bark collar. Well, my dog now is getting older and now she's starting to bark and bark late at night when she's outside. And I didn't want to get a shock collar because I don't like to shock a dog. So this one has the shock, but it also have a sound as well as a vibration. So I'll be using the sound and the vibration on my dog. But I like that it does have the 3 options, and the options can be combined together. Let's get up close personal and see about this rechargeable, waterproof, 5 sensitivity levels of this dog bark collar. This is the Smart Dog Bark Control Collar. Comes with the collar, manual, metal prong replacement, test bulb, magnetic charging cable, and prong covers. You must use the magnetic charging cable that comes in the package, others may damage the product. It's fully charged in 2 hours. The C indicators, if it's blinking in the medium speed, the product is on charge. If it's blinking on a low speed, it's on standby. If it's blinking high, the battery is low, and if it's solid, then it's fully charged. That's how you know it's off. You hear the buzzard. You press and you hold the power button for 2 seconds to power it on. The display will turn on and the indicators will start to blink slowly. You set the bark collar to test by showing the number 0. After that, you imitate a dog bark and a sensor mic located on the back. When you set the product on a test mode, make sure you hold the test bulb tool on the back of the contact when testing the shock function. The test mode will deliver a tone, vibration, and a static shock after you imitate a dog's bark. Roof! You can then set the sensitivity by using the on and off button. You can put it all the way up to 5 or less than 1. The shock tips on the end of the shock prongs. This way it protects the dog. These on the back of here, these are rubber stoppers. We're going to remove that. And these right here are replacers for this. And to get these off, you use this battery tester, where on this side you test for the shock. Well, on this side, you put it here, and it removes the bolt to exchange it here. So you have extra bolts that comes with the package. This. It's adjustable strap for small, medium, and large dogs. There's the mode. There's the sensitivity. There's the battery operator. And down here below is where you will get ahead and have your mode. That's your sound, vibration, and that's your shock. I am going to set it to vibration. And you will feel it vibrating. It's also a night vision reflection collar belt. I'm setting it to 4. It has an upgrade anti-misjudgment, no false triggering, because it has a barking recognition chip and a motion detecting chip for barking and vocal cord vibration. This is waterproof, suitable for all dog sizes. If you want more information about the dog bark collar, look in my description below this video.